Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to change Shopify theme without losing content. So if you know, you can actually change Shopify theme without losing content, but there's one thing that Shopify will always do, and that is Shopify will always change theme content and will not be moved, as you can see right here. So if you change theme content, it will not be moved, right? Because customizer content working according to the theme. So as you can see here, a lot of people are writing products, collection, pages, blog articles, and navigation will remain unchanged. They're not attached to the theme. However, which products show up in the theme, what the navigation menu looks like, and how the content is displayed will depend on the theme. That's why what you need to understand is that you can move these things, right? Because they will remain unchanged, but again, they're not attached to the theme, but you need to understand that which products show up in the theme, where your navigation menu is, how it looks like. This will all be altered by the different theme that you're switching to, right? So again, your products, collection, pages, blog articles, navigation will remain unchanged, but where they are in the theme, that will change, right? So you can change your Shopify theme without losing content, but it's going to be a little bit of mess, right? So as you can see, any content entered directly in the theme editor, text entered into text fields is stored in the theme. Images uploaded via theme editor are stored in the admin and don't have to be re-uploaded, but you'll have to add them whenever you want them to be in the new theme in Themes Editor. Note that if you switch from Dawn to Debut, you will lose some functionality because Debut isn't compatible with iOS 2.0. If, for example, you set up dynamic sources in Dawn, you won't be able to use those in Debut. So again, it's really hard to do this, to change Shopify theme without losing content, without actually going into the editor and coding. So that's why this video, I think, will be helpful to a lot of people, because again, this can remain unchanged, but because it's not attached to the theme, right? However, where that products are in the theme, though, that will be changed basically. So yeah, I hope this video still helps you. I know it's not really a lot of help, but still it can help you when you're switching themes, to understand what is going where. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.